Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word retrieve, its meaning, definition and the example. Retrieve. The definition of retrieve is to find and bring, or to bring back or restore, whether physically or mentally. The synonyms of retrieve are get, recover, recall, reclaim. Now let me show the example of retrieve word in sentences are: He eyed her warily and then leaned over to retrieve the bale. Dogs are essential to retrieve game and ensure its humane dispatch. With a double press of the button, you can quickly retrieve what you missed. Please retrieve your reset password, which you can then change. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.